Next, question number 14. A bullet of mass 10 gram traveling horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 second. Calculate the distance of penetration of the bullet into the block. Also calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. So first we can write down the data. Here mass m is equal to 10 gram. So we can write 10 gram. We should convert it into kilogram. That means 10 by 1000. 0.01 kilogram. Okay. Then initial velocity 150 meter per second. And strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest. Comes to rest means final velocity v is equal to 0. Okay, and it happens in time 0.03 second. So what you have to find it out? Here calculate the distance of penetration of bullet into the block. So we have to find distance travelled. Distance travelled is equal to question mark. That we have to find it out. Okay. Also calculate magnitude of force exerted by the wooden block on the bullet. So F also we have to find it out. So F also we have to find. So to find the distance, V, U and T is given. So we can calculate acceleration also. Acceleration A also we can calculate. So we can write A is equal to V minus U by T. Isn't it? So 0 minus 150 divided by 0.03. So 150 negative 150 into 100 divided by 3. So here 5 times. So negative 5000. 50 into 100. Negative 5000 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. Is it clear? 0 minus 150 divided by 0.03. So 150 into 100 divided by 3. So you will get negative 5000 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. Now distance of penetration we have to find it out. Okay. So for that we have to use the formula V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. Okay, so 0 square minus U means 150 square divided by 2 into negative 5000. Okay, so negative 150 into 150 divided by negative 10,000. Zeros get cancelled and 15 into 15 225 divided by 100. So that is equal to 2.25 meter, because it is in SI unit, isn't it? So S is equal to V square minus U square by 2A. So 0 square minus 150 square divided by 2 into negative 5000. So negative 150 into 150 divided by negative 10,000. So 225 divided by 100. So you will get 2.25 meter. Now we can calculate force. Force F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA. So 0.01 into 5000, negative 5000 kilometer per second square, isn't it? So you will get 2 decimal we have to remove. So negative 50 Newton. 1 into 5000, no? So negative 50 Newton. So F is equal to MA. So negative 0.01 into negative 5000, that is equal to negative 50 Newton. Is it clear?